Many of them just because they're only found in Madagascar and they're very popular.
Oh, he's right there, babe, in the floor. You see him? Right here.
It's Perdido.
Oh, how cute!
His name is Perdido.
Oh my god, he has a leopard skin. What beautiful. He's so beautiful.
You can smell kind of a locker room smell. That's actually no longer the fox.
Oh my god.
Is that a porcupine?
Look at how cute. They're so beautiful.
They smell that so that if they're both stinky and
Yeah. See, look at the names.
I feel like he's gonna love it.
Ow, I got it.
that is our male right here.
His body if you smell bad. There's deodorant not around there. The feet so tiny.
He's like, I'm hot.
The world's third largest rodent. Capybara is the largest rodent, and then beaver is the second largest, and then the third. Beaver.
They're the third largest rodent. What's the first largest? Look at this. Look at this.
Where is he?
He's back there, lemur shit. He's chilling.
Where is he?
He's in the corner. Look.
Oh.
There's one right here.
he's,
That boy big chilling.
he's like, I'm hot. I'm hot today.
Hot
I'm
as
hot.
hot as fuck for that boy.
Yeah, we just have like a
What is in here?
tray.
Oh, look.
Yeah,
They don't, obviously they're very social.
they actually are more solitary in the wild.
Oh.
We just have socialized them enough since they, Yes, yeah. So we're
He's
part of their
just
youth
chilling,
survival plan. So we
staring
get,
at the people.
1 to 3 babies every single year.
Oh, nothing's here?
There's two of them. Babe!
Hi guys. Hi dear guys. You're beautiful. You're so beautiful. It's a beautiful parrots.
They just let them free too. Dude, that's fly away.
They're chained up.
They're chained up.
That's sad.
So
There's more stuff.
look at this guy over here. He's thirsty. He wants your water.
Oh, look how cute. He's trying to decide who to
Itchy. Them pulgas.
The pulgas.
There's more.
Which way do we go? This way? Ooh, where's a fox? Where is it?
I don't know.
The red fox is probably sleeping. Oh, this guy's cool.
Holy fuck.
Look at this guy.
That fucker's big down there.
What's that?
Owl?
An owl.
That's an owl?
Eurasian eagle owl.
Let me see.
He's looking at us like he's hungry.
Excuse me. Look at that big guy in there. Let me see.
Oh, there's one down there too.
That fucker's big over there.
They probably fight. That's why they
Yeah, yeah,
separate
what's
them.
over there?
Look at this. This is beautiful.
He has some beautiful eyes.
The witches.
Ooh.
Yeah, what's up, dude?
Oh,
Or did that
this-
fucker get out?
I think he got out.
Oh no, there's no. It's his separate cage. He probably moved.
It looks like this.
You smell like piss. Pee pee.
Yeah, look, there's some bees right here all up in the corner.
We had a cat like this. And we thought it was a regular cat, just big, you know? Just big cat.
These are, what is it called?
Looked like exactly like that. We used to call him Pinchy Kiru.
Oh shit. There's foxes up there.
Where is it?
On top right there.
Oh, sleeping up there. Tired.
They're all like, it's hard to tell.
Now the time you come to sue, the animals are tired. Where is this guy? Oh, there he is. Up there. Can you see? Right there. Can you see him? Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I probably could see him better this way. Over here. There he is. Oh, he went in his box. Oh, there's the other one. Oh, don't be shy. They're so beautiful. Oh, he went in his box. Shy. What is this? Oh, Bob.
Bobcat? They went.
Where is he?
He's over here.
No, this is a lynx. This one's the lynx.
Oh, it is?
Look this one. Yeah, he doesn't have dots.
Where is he? Oh,
there.
he's laying down.
He doesn't have dots on his arms.
He's laying back there. Is this where we started?